Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to private games in Steam. Alright, let's begin the video. To access this feature, you'll need to switch to the beta branch of Steam. Start by opening Steam and navigating to the Settings menu. In Settings, click on the Interface tab and locate the Client Beta Participation option. Enable this option to switch to the beta version of Steam. Once you've switched to the beta client, return to your Steam library. Find the game you wish to hide and right-click on it. From the context menu, choose Manage and then select Mark as Private. By marking the game as private, it will be hidden from view on Steam, ensuring your gaming activity remains discreet from your friends. So that's basically how to private games in Steam. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.